How many hours have you wasted manually cleaning datasets, only to realize you missed a hidden outlier or inconsistent schema? The building data cleaning pipeline skill automates pandas based preprocessing, detects missing values with statistical imputation, normalizes outliers using IQR methods, validates data schemas with great expectations, and generates audit trails for compliance. Whether you're an ML engineer battling production deadlines, a data scientist prepping for model drift, or an AI researcher optimizing LLM fine tuning, this tool becomes your force multiplier. Finally, a solution that works faster than your coffee kicks in. Here's what's inside the building data cleaning pipeline skill. Automated missing value detection identifies gaps in CSVs/Parquet files using null propagation analysis. Outlier normalization applies robust scaling and Windsorization to skewed distributions. Schema validation enforces column types, constraints, and referential integrity. Customizable templates handle time series resampling, NLP text cleaning, and image metadata extraction. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real world examples. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Your data pipeline just got a permanent upgrade. Installing the building data cleaning pipeline skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building data cleaning pipeline. That's it. You'll download the complete skill with expert level guidance on pandas profiling, PySpark transformations, and scikit-learn pipelines. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows how to handle missing value chains, detect schema drift, and generate validation reports. No PhD required, just clean data. Your models deserve better than duct taped pre processing.